Hi guys, my name is Vedran and I'm CEO of Vyoocam and this is our tech guy Ivo. He's the main guy and responsible for our secret sauce of this camera. So it's very important for you to understand that this camera is not like just a regular web camera or streaming camera. It's the first camera that can actually run mobile apps. And this is the guy who is responsible of how we can do it and how we can actually control this device, control the apps which are installed on the device. So Ivo, you can explain us a little bit more how you do it, what's so special about it?
The special thing is that it is running on a full OS, so it's not just a single part as a camera that is remotely controlled, but it is a fully working operating system on a device, which means that you can use any application you like to perform phone calls or to make meetings or whatever you like to do, but you can do it directly from the camera. This is something very special.
Yeah, and like the also very important thing to say, it has a Google Play Store pre-installed, so it's the first wearable device with actually Google Play Store pre-installed, so you can download any app from the Google Play Store to the camera the same way you do it with your smartphone.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, exactly. So you have a viewport, Vyoocam, and it is actually a smartphone at the same time.
Yeah, so even if you want to pair it with any like Bluetooth device to have audio, or you can also like connect it to any like available Wi-Fi network, you can do it. You can do everything what you can do with a smartphone. So now we're gonna make a video to explain, actually to show how it's done. You know, we're gonna run some apps like a Skype or Zoom to make video calls. We're gonna run those apps to show how the video apps works. But those apps that you run on a Vyoocam, they can be not just only to make a video call, but for video streaming, video recording, and then all kind of apps for like face detection, object recognition, anything that works with machine learning, practically anything, you know. So yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, sure. We're going to introduce you to Vyoocam, and for start off, what is it and how does it look like? So we have a point of view camera here. Here you can see a small example of it. It is in the prototype phase, so we need a little more time to make it look like it's supposed to, but it is already working, and we're gonna show you how it does work. So maybe to the next step, how does it work? And the working is more interesting. We have a point of view camera here, which is a prototype. This is directly connected to a battery and can operate without any interaction from a user. So you can record and do whatever you like, and you would have your hands free. So we have a hands-free point of view camera which can show whatever you see on the screen, and if you take a look at it, you have the power of a full operating system, not like other companies are doing it, only showing a video stream, but you have a full control over whatever application you have on the device. So you can make a Skype call directly from the device, you can take any pictures or video whenever you like, but you don't have to use your hands, you can do it directly hands-free. So you're not bound to one single use case, but you can do whatever you like. And maybe we're gonna show you how this thing works. So we have the view camera connected to our device, and through this cable we are directly connected to it. So as I previously said, it's a full operating system, and the operating system can be seen directly here. So we have the screen, which is actually a virtual screen of this device, because as you can see, it doesn't have anything remotely that looks like a screen. We have two buttons to control it, but that's pretty much it. So in order to get used of the full functionality that this concept offers us is doable through a remote control. And therefore we have installed a virtual device which can be seen here. So we have our launcher here, and we can install apps and applications from the Play Store, whatever you like. Everything is for free, and you can use your custom-made applications, for example, if you're a company. And this is pretty cool because you have the full capacity, and you can use whatever, like, and in the end it's still hands-free. So what do we have here is the home screen of this device, and we can start applications, whatever we like. For example, we can start a camera, and we can record a video. And this is absolutely going without any problems. So now we showed you that you can remote control a Vyoocam device which is connected to a phone, to a PC.
Now it's, yeah. Can you show it now how it connects to the phone?
Yeah, sure thing. So now we saw it that it's connected through a cable directly to the phone, but we also have the possibility to remote control this device through any Android or iOS powered device. And therefore we have an application. This application tracks all the devices that are available, and you can one click connect to this particular device. So I have a list of available devices here, and I'm just gonna click on this one. And as you can see, I see the camera output just like I do it on the connected device. And we can go one step further. Currently we're connected to the screen, to this PC, but we can just move on and just unplug this here. And so you can still see the screen, although we are not connected to anything. We can move around and see everything. So if you would hold the hand here, I'm just gonna pick the device. And then I'm gonna move up and see myself, see the office and everything. And it is directly hands-free. So
Awesome.
So thanks a lot.
Yeah.